guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a holiday look. So excited. I love this time of the year and there's so much going on. Getting together with family, you know, Christmas parties. So I thought this was the perfect time to do this video. I'm excited to kind of fill you guys in on what's been going on with our lives. Things are crazy, all good things. And so I'm really excited and really hope you guys enjoy this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let's just go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start off with just spraying my face with some of this Mario Badescu facial spray. My skin is so dry. I thought moving to Florida in the humidity would help, but no. So far I'm still peeling and it's so frustrating. So I can't seem to find a moisturizer that works for my skin. So I even use like the It Cosmetics cream. I've used, you know, Clinique. Nothing helps. I still peel. I think that's just always going to be something that I deal with. So next I'm going to be going in with this Smashbox primer. This is like my favorite primer just because it fills in like, you know, your smile lines, your pores and everything. It gets the job done. I like to prime my skin and then go and do my eyes so my skin has time to really soak in the product. So I'm going to be doing my eyes first. Nothing too crazy because I really want to do a bold lip. I'm going to prime with my Tarte Shape Tape. I always like to prime my eyelids with my Tarte Shape Tape. If you don't want to go and buy an expensive primer, I recommend just bringing your concealer on your eyelid and setting it, and that is going to do the trick. So that's a good tip, and you know, you can kind of kill two birds with one stone. So now you can set it with like a neutral eyeshadow, but I'm going to set it with my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. I actually just purchased this, so I'm still testing it out. I heard some, you know, mixed reviews, so I really wanted to try it. It has this little like protector, so like your powder doesn't go everywhere, so that's so nice, especially if you travel a lot. So I really like that. Just gonna go ahead and set my eyelid. Next, I'm gonna go in with my, let's see here, this Makeup Geek shadow. I'm gonna start with this one. This is in the shade Cocoa Bear. I obviously love it. I hit pan on it. These are great shadows if you're, you know, wanting to save some money. They're only like $6 an eyeshadow and you can get all of your neutral tones. I'm sorry if you can hear the painters outside. They're painting our apartment building, so. I'm just gonna start off in windshield wiper motions, just going back and forth. I'm not doing anything too crazy with my eyeshadow just because, you know, I wanna go and do a bold lip, so. This is just going to be good for a transition shade. Yeah, my life has been so crazy. Work is going amazing. I have an awesome job and I am learning seriously so much about what it takes to run a business. So it's awesome, and I couldn't be more grateful that I found this job down here in Florida just because it was a struggle. I'm not going to lie, it was a struggle. I'm loving it and I have a much clearer idea, I think, of where I want to go with my life, and it's really exciting. I'm getting, you know, more clarity at what I'm good at and figuring out, you know, oh, I like this area, and ooh, I know how to do that. You know, I'm learning so much and it's been so awesome. I'm getting so much experience, so you know, that is going really well. So I'm very, very grateful for that. I'm just gonna be taking, okay, I almost dropped that. Just gonna be taking this dark shade right here. Blend this kind of in the crease. Like, I just need something to give my eye shape more definition. And I know my face looks crazy, I know. We'll fix that. But yeah, life has been so crazy. I'm so excited. Jared and I are flying home. We're going to my family's for Christmas, and then we'll be going to see his family in St. Louis. We have an entire week off, and so we'll be doing Omaha, and then we'll be flying from Omaha to St. Louis to go see his family. So I'm so excited. It's gonna be awesome, and we get a whole week together, you know, no work, nothing. I cannot wait. And I'm so excited to see my family and to just be home and back in Omaha. I haven't been to Omaha since June, and I'm so excited. Can't wait to see the dogs. Can't wait to see everybody. What the eyes looking like so far? It's nothing crazy. I'm going to be taking this shade right here and just kind of going over my whole lid. It was Jared's birthday yesterday, so that was fun. We went out to dinner and celebrated. This weekend we have his company's Christmas party. We just had my Christmas party last week, and so I'm super excited for that. This is the look that I'm gonna be doing on Saturday, so I'm kind of like doing a trial to make sure that I like it. I'm super excited for it. I think it'll be so fun. So this just kind of gives you a base, and it's like a more neutral color and it's lighter, so it's not too heavy on the eye. I'm just gonna go back in with the fluffy brush, you know, that we used to start with, and just kind of blend everything out. Make sure that everything is blended and there's no harsh lines. I'm just gonna do like a really nice wing. When I do my wing liner, I like to start in the middle of my eye and work my way out and then bring it back in. Just kind of go out, and then I kind of just do like that, and then I'm gonna do my own wing. So kind of like that, just kind of get a basis, and then I'll connect it. And then I'm just going to start from the inner and work my way out and just connect everything. Now I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye. So now that I have like both my wings done, I've cleaned everything up, I think it looks really good, especially when we add some lashes. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara. I've been super into buying strip lashes and cutting them into like thirds. Like, it looks super natural and it just makes them feel more comfortable, and I feel like it makes it last so much longer. Like, you don't have any like pop-ups because you know, they're applied individually more. I feel like it makes a whole lot of difference. So I really like adding them on in the spots that you want them, and you can kind of maneuver them and you just have more control. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. I'm just adding some of my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. I'm actually getting eyelash extensions on Thursday, and I feel like they're just gonna make my life so much easier in the mornings getting ready for work. It's gonna cut my time in half. I hate sitting there and putting on mascara every single morning, and I also hate taking it off. So the lashes that I'm using are actually Ardell, and they're my sister's favorites, and she's actually the one that got me hooked on them, and they are $221. They're voluminous. They're like double banded. They look like $30 lashes. So they're split into threes, so I can't really show you what they look like. I will show you how I cut them though. I don't use all of the lashes just because I feel like it's just too much. So this is kind of what I do. You can see this is like kind of what they look like. So this would be the outside, the middle, and then just a little bit more towards the inner part. But so that's what I do with these, and I'll show you how I place them. But I promise you, it looks a lot harder than it is. It's super easy. I'm gonna be taking my lash duo, and I'm gonna just I always start with the outside and work my way in. And I'm just going to put some glue on these. It's really important to let your glue also sit for a second and get tacky. I know a lot of times if I try and put them on too soon, they just slide all over the place. So it's really important to be patient and then place them. Just take my tweezers like this. So this is kind of like just how I hold them. And then all I do is I just, boom, pop them right on. So this, I'll kind of zoom you in actually, because I really love this technique. And I feel like it's a lot easier than what people think. So I'm just going to make sure you're always coming down. That way you get the most effect from them. I'm literally just going to pop them on like that. So I placed it where I wanted to. and boom. So just like that. So now that I have like my lashes on, this is kind of what they look like. They're kind of intense, like I said. I'd always go for something way more less dramatic and do the same technique, and it will still look so pretty. Now getting into the face, we already primed, you know, my skin is feeling good to go. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. This is what it looks like. These are amazing. They are $12 each. They are seriously full coverage and they last all day. I wear this every day for work. I mix these two and I'm telling you, like, it lasts from 7 in the morning till 9 o'clock at night when I take it off. It is awesome. It doesn't break me out, stays on, it's blendable, and it's so affordable. It's so affordable. So I'm obsessed with this. I literally think these are a dupe for my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. The only thing I like a little bit more about this than this is I found my perfect shade. Like, this shade is everything. This is my perfect shade and I am in 4N1. This is an amazing foundation. If you don't want to spend the money, I highly, highly recommend these. And Ulta's having a 20% off of their entire store, and so you can get these, save some money. I'm in the shades F12 and F10. F10 is a little pink. I might go and switch it for like F9 or F8 or F7. It doesn't really say anything about like the tone. So I thought F10 was just lighter than F12, not realizing that this was more olive and this is more pink. So I think I might need to go get a different shade for my lighter foundation, but it still works. So I'm going to take F10 and I'm going to put this. Oh, I also love the applicator. You don't have to, you know, get your hands dirty. You don't have to sit there and deal with a pump. You know, it's just a little applicator like this and I love it. And I'm going to take the lighter shade and just kind of put this in my T-zone, so where I want it to be a lot more lighter. And I just kind of do it like that. Going in with F12, I'm just gonna do, you know, the outer parts of my face. So this hair, I'm pretty sure I mention this like every time I do my makeup just because I feel like it looks so weird, but my face is a lot lighter than my body and there's nothing I can do about it. I don't want to mess with my face with any self-tan or any tanning or any sun or anything, so it'll always be lighter. But so I just correct it with the right foundation that matches my whole body. This foundation is so bomb with a brush and a beauty blender. So I'm going to show you what a brush looks like and I'm going to show you what a beauty blender looks like. And I'm going to do this side of my face and I will just show you how good it looks with a brush and with a beauty blender. I prefer a beauty blender just because I feel like a brush makes me more dry. I know that sounds really weird, but I just feel like with the extra moisture that the beauty blender gives to my skin, I feel like I like that more. But the fact that this foundation is so good with a brush or just with a beauty blender is amazing. So it's just looking so good. And I like to go in kind of circular motions too, just to make sure there's no like brush strokes or anything like that. Now with this L'Oreal Beauty Blender and blend this side out. And even if you can even do both if you would like. That's probably what I'm going to do with my brush side. I'm just going to kind of go over it with my Beauty Blender just because I kind of need that extra moisture and hydration. If you have any tips for dry skin, like moisturizers, please let me know because I feel like I've tried literally everything. I've tried that CeraVe cream. I've tried, you know, the It Cosmetics, and that was really pricey, okay? I've tried Clinique. I've tried literally everything, and I feel like it's just not, it's not getting better. So please let me know. I would love that, and I'm always looking for new skincare products. Just because I feel like, you know, your skin is the base of your makeup. You can only have so many foundations and primers before, you know, what really matters is getting to the issue with your skin. I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape right here. And then I'm just going to take my same beauty blender and just go ahead and blend that out. I think this is definitely my favorite part of makeup. Besides highlighting, I'm just gonna go in with my sponge and just bake. Press it in to my skin. This will make your makeup stay all day, stay all night, stay maybe till the next morning. That looks really clear. I really like this. I will keep you updated, but so far, I mean, it looks pretty good. This is the first palette that I've ever purchased that I use almost every single shade in here. Like, I can contour, bronze, blush, and highlight in one palette. If you travel, you need this. I think this one is in medium to dark, and then they have a dark one and they have a light one. Mix these two together and it gives me like the perfect highlight. I love this palette so much, and I think you got, like, you should go get it. 20% off, and it's only like $20. I like to contour with this shade right here. I love this palette so much, and I think everybody needs it. And take this shade right here. So then I'm just gonna kind of do an all over kind of bronze. You can totally skip this if you just contour and you're good. I like to be bronzed, okay? Next, I'm gonna be going in with my blush brush, and I'm just gonna be taking, oh my gosh, I forgot that these have names. I guess I could have said that. Fabulous for my blush. It's the shade right here. And this is like my favorite kind of blush because it's kind of like a bronzer, but it's still a red, but it's just, I like it. I love it. It's like peachy more than pinky. I don't like pinky blushes, and this is like perfect. I like to bring it down on the apples of my cheeks and then kind of work it up and do the same thing for this side. This gives you like the flushed look, which is my favorite. Then I'm just gonna go in and highlight. I'm going to, like I said, I like to take this shade right here and mix it with this shade right here. I bring my highlighter all the way down, and normally I just like a couple shades out of a palette. I'm not one of those girls who can just use the whole entire palette, but this, man, this palette is so good. It's so good. And on my nose, and then I like to do my Cupid's bow. So I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera just because everybody's eyebrows is like their preference, and I feel like it's so boring to watch someone do their eyebrows. I don't know. It might just be me just because I hate doing my eyebrows. I have like pretty good brows, and I don't like to go crazy with them. I don't know. I like the natural look. So I will be right back and we will finish off this look. So yeah, I'm just going to add some mascara. I'm not going to do eyeliner just because I feel like that'll make my eyes look a little bit smaller. For something that looks like this, you can see it kind of has like a bluer undertone rather than something that has an orange undertone. It makes blue reds make your teeth look white, and I just prefer this, especially for the holidays. I like a deeper kind of red. So I am going to be lining my lips with this NYX lip liner in hot red. So now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit liquid lipstick in Behind the Bleachers, okay? This is so good. Wet n Wild came out with such good liquid lipsticks. And these are really old, but they're so good. This is like one of my favorite reds. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys like this, and I feel like it turned out so beautiful, and I feel like this is just such a pretty holiday look, and I'm going to be doing this look and I'm going to be wearing a black dress. So I'm super excited. I love this lip color. I love this lip combo. I love the way this turned out, and I hope you guys did too. Time of year is so crazy, and I really appreciate all of the support that I've got this past year. It's just been a whirlwind, and I just want to let you guys know that I really appreciate all of your support, all my friends, all my family, you know, just everybody who has helped Jared and I this holiday season. And reflecting back on this year, it's been seriously the greatest year of my life, and I'm just so grateful, and I'm so excited to spend the holidays with our family, and I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!